right. Did you get your coffee?
It's in the truck.
Ah, I need my coffee. Hey, the camera's back. We're gonna go out to Fox Raceway today. Yeah. Kayla's gonna ride some dirt bikes. Gonna get some sick footage, some sick whips. Yeah. Should be a good day with the boys. And the She Rides group. They're coming out too, so should be a lot of fun. It's a beautiful day, ladies and gentlemen.
This long. I got this long left.
Yep.
I was shouting a lot last night.
About last night, dude. That show was crazy. We played at Lorimar Winery. Roll the clip. Gotta love it, huh? Thanks, Joe. Appreciate it. Get that ice, man. Stay cool on these hot summer days, you know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Nothing but the best. Ooh, I feel like it's been so long. Back at the mandatory Subway stop. Subway always smells the same. For you. That's way too like healthy. Beef. Perfect time, fashionably late. Ready? Go rip the track, dude. We're here, baby. We're here. We made it. We're live. What? Nice bike. See that nose? Yeah. Is that your breakfast?
Coffee.
Oh, nice.
Hey, the Fox comes back from a solo session with the salty-haired kids, and what do I see? The number 99 Jack, my shade. Oh my God! Oh my God! I haven't even had a coffee.
You got here late.
I'm fashionably late, and this is what I get.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Sean. Waddy 764.
Can you help me out?
Yeah, bike work on the course, man. How are we doing this? The best part is I don't know how to change a tire at all, and neither does he. So here we go. Got in the rim lock.
Yeah, should we tighten this?
We're professionals. Not yet.
No, not yet.
Not yet. I would keep that. Do you have another spoon?
No, I don't. That.
This guy?
What do we got going on over here?
Oh, you know, bike work.
Casual track work.
Just listen for the hiss. If you hear the hiss, you're doing it wrong.
We're gonna hear it.
Are we there? Are we there? Oh! Oh!
Oh!
Honey! Let's go.
Lifesaver. I don't know, yeah. Let's
Still double-handed it.
Eat.
I gotta support it, dude. My arm hurts so bad right now.
Dude, you can't make eye contact, bro. City. Stars.
There's one that like.
What do you call those things? You're gonna race?
Okay. But pies are not easy to make.
This is an ace race?
But they're easy.
We're gonna race, baby cakes. Take all the gas, dude. Come on now.
Factory.
Factory living, dude. Look at this. You just sit on the bike and filled up, ready to go. Alright, we got our line drawn up. You racing? Ready?
Got them taking out that guy in the corner. I was like,
I was not paying attention. Oh, Ace is in the lead. Ace is in the lead. Oh, this is a crazy battle. Oh, Drew's making moves. Let's go. Oh, they're all caught up. Drake and Martin out to an early lead. Come on, baby, let's go. Where's the rest of that? Come on, Drew. Come on, Drew, let's go. Oh, that's lap one, lap one. Oh no, he stalls it out. Let's go, come on, Vance. Ace is doing good, man, let's go. Currently, Drake's in the lead. He's got Martin and Vance is creeping up on the front pack. Vance is on Martin's butt. He's putting a lot of pressure on him. Woo! Drake can't run away with this thing yet, man. He's got to keep looking back. Or he better not look back. There we go, there's our leader. Come on, Drake. Not too far back, you have second and third place. Vance is catching up big time. Where is the rest of the pack? There's Drew. Woo! We couldn't see it, but Vance just made the move on Martin. Vance is in second place. It looks like Martin pulled off the track. There is still one more lap. I don't know what these guys are thinking. Come on, there we go. There's the front runners. Oh, Vance is right on Drake. He's applying the pressure on the last lap. Oh, oh no! Vance got Drake on the last lap! Oh, they're making their way around to the final turns! Drew's gonna cross. Is it gonna be Ace or is it gonna be Vance or Drake? Vance gets it! Vance takes the win! Yeah! You won! Dude, you had it, bro. That was so sick. You were mobbing, dude. Oh, whoa. Dude,
I was trying to save like energy taking the inside.
Yeah.
So now you cut inside, so it takes a brake bump.
Yeah, he just last lap, bro. He made his way up to Martin, and I was like, uh-oh.
What happened to Martin?
I think he just pulled off Drake's garden.
It does take video the whip on
Look at that. What the hell?
First thing I ate.
Dude, that was like an 18-inch.
You can take it. I can borrow
That
one.
shit was
whenever.
literally like 18 inches, bro.
Pizza delivery at the track. What is it?
Pizza for the Hudson brothers, mushrooms, olives, and pepperoni.
You can take it back.
And then
You want to take a seat?
we
Oh, nice. You can have his. Wait, yeah, it said you could take a seat. Johnny, get up. No, don't. Just wait. You guys are going to hit their truck. crash?
Yes.
Barely. There was a dust
Kayla
cloud.
needs to always film. She gets the crash.
Go back and check it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
There's a dust cloud right where Martin
Literally a
was.
dust cloud. You just see Martin tumbling out
Do
of
you?
it.
That's all
Yeah.
you need.
You did pretty good.
Hey, you made another intro. How's that Dos Equis seltzer or whatever the heck it is?
Ranch water.
Ranch water. It doesn't even sound good, dude.
No.
Vibes.
Martin's hair floating.
Yeah, like a pro. All right, yo.
Yo, baby! Over both of them.
Another good day with the boys. Martin had a little spill. Woo! It was fun, man. She rides is out here in full effect. Good day?
Yeah.
Good day? Good day? Good day.
Good eye.
Good eye, mate. And with that, we out, baby!